Oh man, look at that beauty. Can you imagine?
God damn it, no, that's wrong too. No.
What's going on here?
I'm trying to enter this woodworking competition.
You know I'm hard of hearing. Speak into the mic.
I'm trying to enter this woodworking competition on Instagram, but I just can't come up with a good design.
Oh, really? Yeah, I don't care. Have fun with that, wood bitch.
It's just so hard to decide, but I could really use that $2,500.
Did you say $2,500?
Yeah, first place of the competition gets $2,500. You know, who knows what we could do with that type of...
I'm in.
Well, I didn't ask you to join.
You know you need me. What are you gonna make?
That's the problem. I can't decide. This whole woodworking competition is about trying new things. So I was thinking about making a wooden end table, which is something I've never done before. And not only that, I was going to have it have a waterfall edge where the grain of the wood continues along the edge down the end of the table, which is something I've never done before. And then I was going to try to make it out of a wood slab. So one of the sides of the end table have a kind of natural edge to it, curvy and wavy, just like a normal tree, which...
Let me guess, you've never done before. These ideas aren't bad, but I just think it needs a little bit more. Something that'll really make it stand out.
I know, but I can't decide on what that thing should be. It's honestly already a lot, and I might not even finish it. I mean, hell, I might get frustrated and break the thing into many pieces before I even finish.
Break it into many pieces, you say? That's it! Kintsugi!
Bless you.
No, you dumbass. Kintsugi. It's a Japanese art form where they take ceramic bowls and plates that have broken into pieces and repair them back together, highlighting the cracks with gold.
Oh, interesting. Give me a second. There. I think we've got it.
No, what? What?
The design for our end table.
Oh, thank Jetski. I mean, God. So what are we going to do now?
Now I guess we build it. First, I bought a choice mesquite slab from the local hardware store that I was barely able to fit in my tiny Subaru. Now we just need to rough cut the slabs to rough size, some of which I forgot to record the button on the camera. Then we prep the slide by sanding down the live edge and clean out all those dirty little holes on the surface.
Don't say it like that.
Before pouring into the cracks and crevices the first batch of gold resin. This hole specifically took up a lot of resin. I hope there's not a hole under... After a day, I could remove the tape and screw in a 2x4 to one of the edges so that I could rip a straight edge and get the slab to final width. How are we feeling? Man, what a baby. Next, we can trace out the kintsugi cracks and cavities on the surface. One small head of approval, and then we use our Dremel to carve out the thin cracks and a chisel to hog out the cavities, breaking many bits in the process. Then I used a popsicle stick to make sure all the cavities and cracks had a depth of at least about 1/4 of an inch.
Oh God, please tell me we're almost done.
Now we can tape up the cracks that made it to the edge of the slab, making sure everything is level, and then pouring in the final batch of gold resin. Once the resin cured, we can send the slab and the offcut that will eventually be the leg stand through my planer to get a nice and smooth surface.
Remember the jet ski.
One more hour of standing and pondering before cross-cutting the slab into 2 pieces and adding a miter bevel on both pieces. Bringing them together and then realizing there's a huge gap because you're a shit woodworker. Then after crying for a little bit, using a piece of pine to slowly adjust the angle of the table saw blade until the gap is gone. Now we are ready to drill the dowel holes and test fit the pieces. Doing a little dance because you're surprised it actually worked. Before gluing up the pieces in probably the most stressful 30 seconds of my life since I lost my virginity.
Oh yeah, I've seen Victoria. She seems nice.
Then some sanding, rounding of the edges, and finally applying the finish. And there she is. And just in time too, because the deadline was only in a couple of days.
And when are we going to find out the results?
I don't know, a few weeks?
How about now?
No.
How about now?
No.
Now?
No.
Gotta be now.
No.
How about now?
No. Betos, these things take time. We need to have patience. Oh hey, they posted results.
Jet ski?
Sorry, bud.
Jet ski?
We didn't win.
Jet ski.
Hey, it's alright. Hey, look, there were over 1,000 different people who competed in this contest. The winners just submitted beautiful woodworking projects. We can find a different way to get you a jet ski. Hey, you know what? I bet you there are some needy orphans nearby, and you know what that means.
We can charge them exorbitantly high prices for some parents.
Yeah, bud. Yeah, we can. That's the spirit.
Oh, you know what? That does make me feel better. And hey, I just thought of an even faster way to get the money for a jet ski.
Oh yeah? How's that?
You have 2 kidneys, right?
Nope. Not gonna happen.
Oh, come on. You really only need 1. I heard that in a YouTube video once.
You are not gonna take one of my kidneys.
Not willingly, at least.
What was that?
Nothing. You're a heavy sleeper, right?
I'm changing the locks on the apartment.